Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the new Start menu in Windows 11. This is a hidden feature that is not enabled by default, but you can turn it on using a tool called ViveTool. First, download ViveTool. You can find the download link in the video description. Download latest version ViveTool. After downloading the zip file, right-click the file and extract it. Once the files are extracted, rename the folder to ViveTool so it will be easier to use in the command. Now copy or move the ViveTool folder to the C drive, so the folder path becomes C:\ViveTool. Next, click on Windows Search and type CMD. Select Command Prompt and run as administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: cd space C:\ViveTool, press Enter. Next command, ViveTool/enable/ID:47205210, then press Enter to run the command. If the command is executed successfully, you will see a message confirming that the feature configuration was set. Now restart your computer to apply the changes. After the restart, the new Windows 11 Start menu should be enabled on your system. That's how you can enable the new hidden Start menu feature in Windows 11 using ViveTool. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials.